Welcome back to Brazen Brits. I'm shouting right now because we have the AC on because it is such a hot day and we are doing some rig tours. So if you've been watching our channel, you'll know that we're selling our rig and we are looking for something new, something different, something a bit more nimble.
Yes.
So today we're in something we never thought we would love this much, but we are inside because it has a generator and the AC is working. So let's roll the intro and then we'll give you a quick tour.
Well, it makes me wonder.
Alright, welcome back. We are in the Winnebago Navion 24D.
Well done.
And the reason we have the AC on is because there is a generator in this coach and Stan just put it on for us, and I'm sorry you can probably hear the AC, but we need it right now.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is really interesting. So this is a 24 foot on a Mercedes chassis, which essentially means it's a Class B plus.
Yeah.
So the Class B is like a van. A Class B plus has like it's extended sideways a bit.
And Class C has that overhang out
Class
front.
C has the front overhang. So this is kind of a B plus slash C.
Yeah.
Which is very interesting.
Now Stan knows that this probably isn't the rig for us, but he's trying to show us ones that will help with the nimbility factor.
Yeah.
Be able to just rock up somewhere, push a button and get out and be done with it. So we've gone for a real basic one, so to speak, to see what we can go up from there.
Yeah, but this is quality actually. This is really nice.
Quality.
So I'm going to let's start from the very back. Well, hold on. Let's start from where we walk in, right? So this is the main door, and then I'm going to go left. Okay, so as you come in the main door on the side here, there obviously is passenger doors like it is essentially a van, a Mercedes van on the front, which I really like. This is much better than the E-Class, not Mercedes E-Class, the Ford E-Class driving positions. It has the screen, it looks like a car steering wheel, it's really luxurious, it's all carbon fiber stuff, so it's really nice. The seats look really comfortable, they're like the vinyl leather rather than leather, which is great if you're going hiking or something. Anyway, so we have the sink, we have the double sink here, stainless steel, it's all quality, like it's got the tap, the faucet that comes out. All the door switches are like boats, so these are all quality. They're expensive, or they kind of scream quality. I'm sure they're a little bit plasticky, but they're okay. You have the TV up here, I don't know whether that pivots, I think it does pop out, but either way it's there. We have a convection microwave here. I think that's all just, oh look, lights in the drawer. See, that's the kind of quality that the small little things that are there. Can you just open those? Okay, just loads of storage under the sink, no big deal there. Okay, we have a convection, not convection, what's
Induction.
it called? Induction cooktop with one propane burner. Again, just storage underneath. Oh, you can really tell the quality in here, like this is... okay, this is where you control the generator, so you don't actually even need to get out the rig to actually start the generator. So that's all in there. We have the fridge. This is the Norcold. I think this is the 12 volt Norcold. Solar charge controller. We're pulling in 14 volts, or is that the battery? Not sure. Never seen this one before, but it's Zamp Solar. I know they're pretty good. Oh, there's a slide controls. So anyway, so it must have solar. The slide is this entire side, which we will show you outside in a moment. Okay, the bathroom, I'll let Natalie film me. So all right, we have, wow, a huge cabinet here with a table there.
Nice.
There must be another table available. Oh, right behind you there. Okay, so you can have another table there. Loads of storage in there, loads of storage under here. It's all right. I don't want to still match thing, but I would say this is a prime pooping position. You can even look out the front window whilst you're doing that. And then the shower. As always, I'm 5'10". I don't like this. No. I'm 5'10" and I'm hitting that, so anyone 6 foot is probably okay. I like the fact that they give you this because we do struggle to hang our clothes up.
Oh, true.
If we need to dry them, if we hand wash anything. So yeah, it's good that they've got that. Okay, now if we swing around here, and I'll come back in a moment. So this is a Murphy bed. So we have a sofa here where you can sit, and there's a table thing there that you can have a little table there. Then you can take these out. Then you can flip these out, and then you stand out the way. Actually, yeah, if you go all the way over there, the button's in here to get you out of the way. So you push this.
Cute.
Ta-da! Then you have your bed.
Nice.
Does it go up? Stan only showed me it going down.
Oh, it
It
does.
Ta-da! That's cool. And you can close that, put the cushions back.
The only annoying thing is it kind of blocks the window.
It does block the window, yeah, but it's, I don't know, it's cool, I like it. All right, and then we have the booth here.
Yep.
There is plenty of floor space in this. For a van, bear in mind we're in a little van. Booth space here, it's all fine, the storage, it goes out into a bed. And then of course, at the front, we have the huge bed up here as well, so you don't really even need to use that Murphy bed.
True.
Like, you could sleep up here, but it's not, you know.
Bit cramped. And you'll be climbing across each other to go
You'll
to
be
the
climbing
toilet.
across it. And if you don't want this, you can remove this and just have this as a big open space. But even if not, there's no garage. I don't know the storage outside. I can't imagine it's a lot. So this is useful for storage. All right, good. Shall we go outside?
You want to talk about the price point?
So the price on this is expensive, but it's not as expensive as I thought. This is up for about 150,000, somewhere around that price.
That's impressive for this
That's
quality.
pretty. The quality is unbelievable. You can see it everywhere. All right, Natalie, my favourite part. Right, the scoring
So,
on this.
for 150,000 for a class B plus C, good.
And the quality, I think that is an excellent price, but affordability, it's not affordable really.
No, not really.
So I'm gonna go like a 3.
All right, quality.
Probably a 9.
Yeah, it's a few little plastic
It would be a 10,
things.
but I'm British, I don't give anything 10.
Apparently not. Attractiveness.
I think it looks pretty good.
I like
It looks
it.
good inside, it looks
Yeah.
pretty good outside, it's not too garish, so I'm gonna say, a 9?
Yeah, I agree actually. All right, ease of transport.
Oh,
10.
10.
Finally, we get a 10.
Well, we still have a
Woo!
slide. We have one slide. But even
What's
when
that got to do with the ease of transport?
Well, true, but you know, getting around. Yeah, okay, fine.
Oh, well, I've got to find out if it's self-leveling, but I'm pretty sure it is.
I have no idea. We will find out.
We might have to change that score.
Yeah.
All right, space for dogs. Yep. Loads of space.
Even with the slide in, there's enough space.
Private office space.
There's no office space.
No.
There isn't even a thing on the front for me to work in the front seat, so that's probably a 1, I think.
Outside storage, we'll have to mark afterwards.
Yep, we will do the outside in a moment.
Inside space for socialising, not great.
No, I would say inside socialising is a 2.
I agree. Off-grid capabilities, we'll have to overlay TV placement.
Wait, off-grid capabilities, we have the generator.
Oh, we do have the onboard generator, yeah.
So we have the generator. So I would say, I mean, it's not, you're not going to go off-roading, but I mean, you could park up anywhere on the side of the road. It's not too big, it's not too, you know, we have the generator, which is a big thing. I don't know about battery bank, but it has solar, so it obviously has a battery.
Oh,
Also,
we
I'm
could
looking
get
at I'm looking at this, and it's 14.6 volts, and that's Zamp solar, so I think that's a lithium battery as well. It looks like it has 4. No, that's just those things. We will have a look outside.
Right.
I think off-grid. I think off-grid is at least an 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
TV placement.
Terrible.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4.
And lastly, set up and tear down.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that's pretty easy actually. It's
yeah.
one slide. Obviously, you're still going to have the sewer hoses and stuff like that, but I can't. Yeah, I can't. We'll have to check if it's leveling, but I'm going to go for an 8 right now.
I already put it.
Oh,
Gotcha.
okay.
All right, so
All right. Wait, we're going to go outside.
yes, let's go outside.
Go out. It's really hot, and
I
we
don't wanna
are
go
loving the
outside.
AC, but we're going to do a really quick tour of the outside.
All
See if that
right.
changes any of our scores.
Okay. It's so noisy. You're gonna have to shout.
Right, we're right next to the road, so hopefully you can hear me okay. So this is it. So this is why it's kind of a B. A B would be flat, a B plus has the kind of side bits, and then a C has the overhang at the front. So this kind of has a bit of all of it. So they're calling this like the B plus / C. So anyway, let's go around this side. The engine is running because we've got the AC on, and poor Stan had to stand out whilst we were videoing inside. So now he's inside, laid on the bed. With the AC on. I don't know if he is laid on the bed. That's what I imagine. All right. So we have the one slide. Underneath the slide we have propane tank here that is built in with all the controls. That over there is the, so it is auto leveling.
Yes.
So that's the hydraulics for the auto leveling system, so that's cool. Does that change our score for?
No, we gave it a high for
We gave it high, okay, because we thought it would.
Up and tear down,
Then we have another little storage place over there. Obviously these are a pain when the slide's in, but when the slide's out, when it's in, it's fine. That's just a big space in there. I think that opens, but no, maybe it doesn't. Okay, so we have the outdoor shower here. We have our freshwater inputs. They all go straight through under, so you can close this and it's all secure. You have your power. It looks like a 30 amp.
What do you say? If it's your thumb, it's...
I don't know, I can't remember.
And if it's your finger, it's 30. It looks like a 30.
It looks like a 30, I'm sure it is. And then we have the black tank, the drains, and then you have your septic connection under here. That's all standard. Anything else? Freshwater drain.
Black water tank flush inlet is up there.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. I quite like that not being in there, to be honest. Alright, anything at the back? We have a tow connection. You also have the 7 pin, I think, so you can, you know, actually put a trailer on there. What's this? Oh, okay, more storage. That's nice. It's enough for. It's good. That's good. Oh yeah, it's a good space for the fuel. Then we have the. I think this is a tankless hot water again. Runs off the propane. We have. That's cool. That's kind of like plasticky for like if it's water or something.
Yes, water stuff.
So that's kind of cool. And then we have a 3200 watt generator, which is cool. This is obviously enough to run everything in the rig. I mean, that will run literally everything. All right, well, thank you for watching. I'm so pleasantly surprised every time we do a rig tour.
Cold, which is
Everything's
nice.
a bit better than I thought it was going to be, and this, the quality of this is just fantastic.
I can see why dog agility people go for Winnebagos.
Yeah.
I really see the appeal actually, but however, our lovely Stan did tell us that out west there's not a lot of service stations.
There's not a lot of places that will service or do warranty work out west for the Winnebagos,
No,
or especially the Mercedes, I think he said.
What was the other important information that I've already forgotten?
All right, well done. Anyway, thank you for watching. We really do love this actually, but it's way out of our price range. Yeah. We could maybe make it work, so we'll have to do some maths and think about it, but we really do love this. Just doesn't tick all the boxes.
No.
So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the thanks button because Natalie loves it when you do that. If you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, Natalie and myself, hit the join button. Thank you to everyone who has already done that. Well, what are we doing now? Oh, next week.
Another rig
tour next week. Okay, all right. So we'll see you next week. Bye.